Mastering reported speech, English language practice. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial aspect of English grammar, reported speech. Whether you're telling a friend about a conversation you had or writing a story, understanding and using reported speech correctly is essential. Reported speech, also known as indirect speech, allows us to communicate what someone else said without quoting them directly. Instead of using the speaker's exact words, we modify certain parts of the sentence, like verb tenses, pronouns, or time expressions, to fit the context. Example: direct speech. Jane said, "I am eating an apple." Reported speech. Jane said that she was eating an apple. In reported speech, we often shift verb tenses back. This is known as backshifting. However, it's important to note that the context also plays a key role. Present simple becomes past simple. Present continuous becomes past continuous. Present perfect becomes past perfect. Past simple becomes past perfect. Will becomes would. Can becomes could. Let's put the theory into practice with some writing exercises. These will help reinforce your understanding of reported speech. Exercise 1. Conversion. Convert the following direct speech sentences into reported speech. 1. I love ice cream, he said. 2. We're going to the movies tonight, she told me. 3. They have been living here for 10 years, she mentioned. Exercise 2. Storytelling. Write a short story incorporating these direct speech sentences, but convert them into reported speech. 1. You must finish your homework, the teacher insisted. 2. I will pick you up at 7, John promised. 3. She has just arrived, announced the host. Exercise 3. Dialogue. Write a dialogue between two people, using reported speech to convey their conversation to a third person. For example, Alice told Bob that she had completed her project. That wraps up our lesson on reported speech. By mastering these rules and practicing through writing, you'll be well on your way to becoming proficient in using reported speech in English. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep writing, keep learning, and keep growing. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Until next time, happy learning!